welcome to my channel. I'm Gigi with Gigi Gabrielle 21. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today we're going to go ahead and do a wig review for a wig by Outre. It's actually kind of old, but it's $7.99. It's a half wig, and I thought that's a bomb price. Let me try it. It looks really good looking. So it's called Anjou. There you go. And I got it in the color 2T/425. So yeah, let's get right into it.
And please take a moment to like, subscribe, and share this video. Share it with at least 10 people, and then comment down below that you've done that. Let me know and I'll respond for sure. Also, stay through the whole entire video because you're about to see some bomb styles with this wig.
can be styled in 60 seconds. So I'm gonna tell you right now. Obviously the prep work takes a little bit more because you know you want to make sure you leave the right amount of leave out that you're comfortable with and putting on your stocking cap or whatnot, but that's not too long, right? So what I did do was I curled my leave out, and I left very little leave out because I just don't want to have to like deal with a bunch of it and having to style a bunch of it. So I just left out a little bit. And then when I put it on, you do have to play around with it. So I definitely played around with it to get it to like lay how I like. So right now I think it's pretty cute. Throughout the day, I feel like I will need to like mess with it, you know, just kind of like to freshen it up, make sure that the curls stay exactly how I like it and stuff. But it's definitely a grab and go kind of style because you can style it. I would say it takes like about 5 minutes realistically, not 60 seconds, because if you just like put it on and go, you're gonna look trash. So I don't want that for you. So definitely at least 5 minutes, but $7.99, you can't beat that. I will say I was really shocked at the color it came in. Online, I looked at the colors and this one looked like it was gonna be a bright red, almost like my lipstick mixed with, you know, dark brown. So when it came like this kind of burgundy color, of course it still has the dark brown mixed in it, but like, you know, the red part, being this dark, I was really shocked and kind of like bummed out, to be honest, just because online, like I said, it looked so much brighter, and I was excited about trying a bright red wig because that's what I really want to try on. But other than that, I do like it. I don't feel like it's gonna last super duper long because it frizzes up a little bit, you know, like as if you can see, kind of frizzes up a little because of the curls. It's a nice texture. Do get some tangles in there. No shedding. I haven't experienced any shedding at all. And so I know she's versatile, like I can do different hairstyles with her. So excited about that. Totally bouncy, very cute, and it's blendable. So one thing I will say too is that it didn't come with an it didn't come with an elastic strap. You know what I'm talking about, the elastic bands to make it tighter. The newer Outre, like converted caps and half wigs, do have that. So they've upgraded since then, and I will say that I'm kind of missing that secure feeling. I still feel secure with the combs, and they're actually placed in spots where it's not hurting or like pulling little teeny hairs. They're in comfortable spots, so that's nice. But I will say I definitely enjoy that feature of having the elastic band in the newer ones. You know what I'm talking about, the thing that you pull, the string. Oh gosh, I can't think of the word right now, but you know what I'm talking about. Anyways, if you're interested in getting this wig, I have the description down below. Click on it and you can purchase it too, where I purchased it at, or you can purchase it on Amazon if you like the Prime shipping, you know, to come in 2 days. So anyways, have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for visiting my channel, and much love.